Therefore, it has to be very keen to the hand. At the time of
Yes, I'm a police officer. We have enough security in the court. Who are you? Yes, you should be left outside. There is a big order there. No, it is illegal. That is not how it is here. Yes, I can take a police action against you, and you never see what happened. Are you believe? You can't take what. You don't know what is happening. Hey, kitu kidogo tu mnachukua.
what's happening?
Nothing is happening. No things.
Nothing is happening. Someone has
No. Nobody has been arrested. That is no more dispute.
okay. Wait, Silva.